Want a place that will take care of every little thing you need during your uni adventure? Introducing Study in Lemyngton Street in Loughborough. Located at a short walk away from the city center, this contemporary accommodation offers a range of on-site rooms and studios. The rooms are well furnished and comes with a cozy bed, huge wardrobe, personal study area, attached bathroom, fully fitted kitchen, and a TV along with Wi-Fi to stream your favorite movies. When you feel like moving muscles, head over to the gym or check out the spa and sauna to melt away the stress in your body. Watch a trending movie at the on-site cinema room after an intense session in the study area, or just kick back and relax at the games room with your friends. This residence also provides housekeeping, laundry facilities, full-time security, and a secure premises. With Loughborough University being just a 4-minute drive from the property, you will have enough spare time to hand to get an early dinner from Goodliss and hang out with your pals after class. In addition, the area is well connected to major public transport networks, so exploring the city, it will for sure be hassle-free. Do not miss the opportunity to experience the best of Loughborough's student housing with Lemyngton Street. Visit amberstudent.com and book your room today.